Service scanning. Customized scanning system for service departments. We scan repair orders, parts invoices, rental agreements, and more. Here's how to easily scan a 7-page repair order. Simply click on Scan Repair Order on the screen. Service scanning uses barcode and OCR technology to read repair order information. After scanning is complete, the repair order is converted into a PDF file, which you can easily view and navigate through each page. Service scanning allows for the ability to scan small items like battery test receipts. Color images, and other items which are added to the existing repair order PDF. We provide all your service advisors, managers, accounting department, and warranty administrators an user-friendly document viewer that shows up-to-date document scan information. Service scanning. Organize your service documents, saving time and saving money. Find us at servicescanning.com. Call us at 1-800-783-1540. Service scanning. Simple, fast, effective.